Hi! In this video, I will explain what ISO 18587 is, why it is an important international standard for machine translation post-editing, and how it helps organizations ensure the quality of translated content produced using machine translation technologies. I will also briefly introduce BALTUM and our approach to training, auditing, and conformity assessment. This material will be useful for both newcomers and professionals working in translation, localization, and language services. BALTUM is a company specializing in auditing, certification, and training. Our activities focus on international standards and regulatory requirements. We follow the principles of independence and objectivity, providing professional and impartial assessment services to organizations across various industries. BALTUM conducts audits and assessments in accordance with international standards. We support organizations during certification projects and readiness activities. Training and professional development are important parts of our work, helping professionals understand and implement international requirements in practice. BALTUM works with a broad range of international standards related to language services, quality management, information security, and professional service delivery. These include ISO 18587, ISO 17100, ISO 18841, ISO 9001, and many other internationally recognized frameworks. My name is Kyrylo, and I am the instructor for this course. I work with management system standards and participate in audits, assessments, and training projects. My experience includes helping organizations understand and implement international standards. In this course, I will explain ISO 18587 from a practical and structured perspective. Organizations implement ISO 18587 to improve the quality and consistency of machine-translated content. The standard helps define post-editing requirements, establish reliable workflows, and ensure that translated content meets customer expectations. It also supports efficient use of machine translation technologies while maintaining quality standards. ISO 18587 is often misunderstood. It is not a machine translation tool or software application. It does not eliminate the need for qualified human post-editors, nor does it guarantee translation quality automatically. Instead, it defines requirements for the human post-editing process applied to machine-translated output. ISO 18587 is used by translation companies, localization providers, multinational organizations, and any business that relies on machine translation and multilingual content. The standard is applicable across a wide range of industries and content types. Organizations may use ISO 18587 as a framework for evaluating and improving their machine translation post-editing processes. Assessments focus on workflow management, competence requirements, quality controls, and adherence to internationally recognized best practices. At BALTUM, we offer structured training on ISO 18587. The course explains the requirements of the standard, machine translation post-editing workflows, competence requirements, and practical approaches to quality management in translation projects. This course is designed for translators, post-editors, localization specialists, project managers, quality managers, language service providers, and anyone interested in understanding international requirements for machine translation post-editing services. ISO 18587 is an international standard that defines requirements for the full post-editing of machine translation output. It specifies the qualifications of post-editors, workflow requirements, and quality expectations for post-edited content. The primary purpose of ISO 18587 is to ensure that machine-translated content is reviewed and corrected to achieve a quality level comparable to human translation. The standard supports efficiency, consistency, customer satisfaction, and reliable multilingual communication. ISO 18587 covers key elements of machine translation post-editing, including the qualifications of post-editors, preparation activities, post-editing procedures, quality assurance requirements, workflow management, and continuous improvement practices. ISO 18587 is based on several key principles, including the importance of qualified human post-editors, consistent quality management, transparency of processes, customer-focused service delivery, and ongoing improvement of translation workflows. The full ISO 18587 course is available online and allows participants to learn at their own pace. The program covers machine translation post-editing requirements, workflow management, competence criteria, quality assurance practices, and implementation guidance. Participants receive access to structured learning materials, practical examples, and additional resources. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you better understand what ISO 18587 is and how it supports high-quality machine translation post-editing services. If you are interested in training, auditing, or professional support related to international standards, you can contact us through our website or by email. Our contact address is info@baltum.io. See you in the next materials.